Hi guys, welcome back to the Sweaty Potato Meyer RC channel, home of the fastest Redcat Rampage XD on YouTube. Today guys, I got some goodies in the mail, or one goodie in the mail, and it is a gold spring, and if everybody knows what a gold spring means, it's 10,000 RPM clutch spring, and that is going to be going into the FT360. And then guys, I was driving around and I went down by the dirt bike track because it's been a little drier here lately, and checked it out, and it's dry enough to go down there and bash. So we're going to take the Rampage XT down there and do a little bashing with it. So we'll get at it. Alright guys, we're here at the Rampage. See how she runs. Out here at the dirt bike track, finally dried up for me to get some good bashing time out here. Donkey kick. Everybody's always commenting on my videos why I don't jump these. You gotta understand, these are taller than I am. A little bit of donkey kick there. Oh man, maybe we have some more throttle issues, or throttle servo issues. All right guys, we made it back to the RC car shop, and yes, I did lose a throttle servo, another one. I lost one on the Baja a couple weeks ago, and now I lost one on the Rampage, so, well, they usually come in 2s and 3s, so hopefully this is only going to be 2s, so, now I'm going to get a new throttle servo coming, and actually, guys, this throttle servo I have on here is actually a 10th scale steering servo, so, I'm going to get, you know, another one of them Rovan throttle servos. That's the one that's in this one, the one that I like so much because it moves so fast. It's got so much throttle response. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you should probably do that, guys, because this is what I do. And right by the subscribe button, there's a bell notification. Select it and all. You'll get every upload I do. And if there's something on your mind, guys, scroll down and leave a comment in the comments section. We'll see you guys in the next one.